White Oak Capital Banking and Financial Services Fund NFO. Will this NFO be better suited to your investment portfolio or should you look into other investment opportunities? Let's do a detailed analysis to find out. White Oak Capital Banking and Financial Services Fund NFO. This NFO is open till 30th Jan 2024. It comes under sectoral banking category. It's an open-ended fund type. It uses Nifty Financial Services TRI as its benchmark. The minimum amount of investment is Rs 500. The fund manager name is Ramesh Mantri. Exit load 1% if redeemed before 1 month. Now let's look into the White Oak Capital Banking and Financial Services Fund investment philosophy and investment objective. Investment philosophy. It aims to invest in opportunities across banking and financial sector. Investment objective. It looks to create long-term wealth by investing in banking and financial sector equity and equity-related instruments. Now let's look into the suitability. It seeks to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related securities of banking and financial services companies. It is suitable for aggressive investors who are more confident and bullish on banking and financial sector. Now let's understand what are the potential benefits of this White Oak Capital Banking and Financial Services Fund. This fund is diversified among top performing companies in the banking and financial sector. It is ideal for investors seeking for allocation in banking and financial sector. If the banking and financial sector performs well, then investor can even generate inflation beating returns. It is high risk and high return fund. It is suitable for aggressive investors who are more confident and are bullish on banking and financial sector. Just like advantages, even this investment has a potential drawbacks as well. It is riskier for short-term investors. This fund is not suitable for your core portfolio. Not all great sectors can translate into stock market returns. You may overexpose your portfolio to negative triggers as well. Not flexible and dynamic when compared to other diversified funds. Can add more volatility to your portfolio, which in turn makes it difficult to achieve your future financial goals. It has more concentration risk involved in it. If the banking and financial sector underperforms, then investor can even receive negative returns as well. Investor should have more knowledge about the market, so timing and circle of competence plays an important role. Suppose the investor lacks timing and circle of competence, then he is most likely to fail in his investment. So it is always better to approach a financial planner or a mutual fund distributor before looking to opt these funds in your investment portfolio. So far we have covered everything about this White Oak Capital Banking and Financial Services Fund NFO. Now it's time for the final takeaway. Should this NFO be a part of your long-term investment portfolio or should you look to avoid this NFO? If you are a first-time investor or a conservative investor, then you should look to avoid this NFO. There are existing banking and financial services fund which has a good track record in it. If you choose those existing banking and financial services fund, it will be more than beneficial for you to achieve your financial goals. If you are looking for funds for your core portfolio, this fund may not be ideal or suitable. And if you don't know much about banking and financial services, then you should look to avoid this fund. Before you take any investment decision, it is always better to consult a financial planner or a professional mutual fund distributor. As a financial planner or mutual fund distributor, will be able to guide you on so many things. He'll be able to verify whether the investment objective of this fund and your investment objective aligns, whether the risk involved in this fund and your risk update matches. And he'll also focus on the overlap ratio. Suppose if you have already invested in such type of schemes or funds, then he'll not recommend this fund for you because as an investor, when you have higher overlap ratio, the chances of you achieving higher returns becomes lesser. And even though this fund might be an ideal suit to your investment portfolio, you will be knowing how much should you allocate to achieve your financial goals and how much will it be ideal for you to allocate as an investor. So to gain all such insights, it's better you consult a professional financial planner or a mutual fund distributor, as they will be able to guide you in all these aspects of investment. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.